Alright, I just got home from work. There's this big ass box here. I don't even know what the deal is with that. I didn't order anything. Covering up my identifying details. That's from Fresh Tape Media. I didn't know what that was, but I opened it up and there's this leather box inside of it. No labels, no nothing. Aha! But what is it? My Stanley Cup champion Stanley Tweets. So I won the contest. I won the Stanley Tweets contest. Looks like they sent me two little Stanley Cup champions stickers and a little card saying, "Your tweet made hockey history for 129 years. Every season, 52 players and staff from the Stanley Cup winning team earn the ultimate honor. Their names forever engraved in as champions on me. Earning that honor takes a lifetime of work and commitment, not just from your team, but from you, the fans. That's why, for the first time ever, the NHL has selected 52 tweets from loyal fans to accompany me as official championship artifacts. Your tweet is one of them. Enclosed is your very own engraved Stanley Cup Champions tweet. You'll also find it displayed at the Hockey Hall of Fame in Toronto. I really hope I can go to Canada soon. So anyway, inside here, kind of hard doing it one-handed, but get out. There you go. I mean, that's legit wood and metal. You can see there, bad lighting, but hell yeah. Proud to be in the National Hockey League Hall of Fame.